Hello everybody, this is Rachel Bennett from Rachel Bennett School of Bellydance, and my free tutorials are here to enhance your dance. So today we're going to be doing a little combination which for me was inspired again by Tahir Karaoke. I know I've done a number of tutorials that she has inspired for me. She's a black and white movie star that I very much enjoy watching, and I've learned a lot just by watching her. Now today we're going to be combining camels and half circles. In a previous tutorial we did a camel with a kick and we then went into half a circle, and if you've not seen that before then take a look on the playlist, it's there. Today we're going to do camels with half circles. Okay, so there's two separate moves and I'm going to give you a little demonstration. By the way, I'm working on the basis that you already have covered these moves with your teachers. So we're going to camel and do half a circle, camel and do half a circle, and we're transferring the weight between our feet. When I transfer the weight over to this foot, I'm lifting the opposite heel and vice versa. I'm doing half circles, taking my hips out as wide as I can, and I'm going into it with a camel, or you could just call it an undulation. So I'm undulating, working that core, bringing my hip around, releasing to camel and come round. Camel, come round. Now you can either camel, let's put the foot down, camel, come round and don't do anything else. Camel, come round, camel, come round, camel and half a circle. Or you can flow it all together, which I actually find easier. So camel and finish with that half circle. So as you're cameling, instead of untucking the pelvis and going into a neutral position, you're cameling, you're keeping that tuck, you're floating into half the circle, and once your weight is on the other side, you're releasing. Camel, release and untuck. Camel, release, untuck. Here we go. Let's practice together. This is also a little bit evocative, but not exactly the same as a move that Samia Gamal is very famous for, but she has a different variation. Her feet are closer together and it's different work with the stomach. But this for me was very much inspired by a dance that I watched Tahir Karaoke do, and it adds a really lovely, delicious texture to your dancing. You can make it smooth, or a bit more evocative of Samia Gamal, you can make it quite sharp with the pelvic tuck and drop. So you're thinking undulation and quite a firm untuck of the pelvis. And if you are finding that the vocabulary is confusing you, lots of different dance teachers call moves different things. Some people would just call this an undulation, some people would refer to it as a camel. Please don't get too caught up in the vocabulary, just use the words that work for you, and the important thing is getting comfortable with the movement. And there you go, those are just suggested arm frames. You can go bigger, go more bold with that. Use this to enhance your belly dancing, use it in improvisation, use it in choreography. Let me know how you get on, let me know how you use the move in your own dancing, and let me know if you've got any videos that I can watch. It's always lovely to see how people take new things that they've learned and run with it. Okay, if you'd like to find out more about me and get a free belly dance workout, hop over to rachelbellydancer.com, and if you would like to find out about our festival of workshops, hop on over to bellydanceheaven.com. Okay, look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.